I watched countless videos where everyone is talking about the viral niche called the
Cosmic
cosmic
niche.
Cosmic niche.
I went through almost all of them, and you'll see big-name gurus making videos about it. But there's one thing common in all those videos. They all claim that it's impossible to work in this niche without using paid tools. The cosmic niche is rapidly growing, and many channels are earning hundreds of thousands per month from it. I did a lot of research on this niche, and finally, I discovered a free method where you don't need to spend a single penny. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create these videos for free, step by step. You can do this too. So make sure to watch this video till the end and don't skip any steps, or you might end up facing problems. I've divided this video into 5 steps, which act as a complete guide from channel creation to video editing. Branding is the most important part of creating a YouTube channel because it helps make your channel recognizable. First, we need to think of a name for the channel. If you already have a name in mind, then it's great. But if not, then you can use ChatGPT to help. I'll give ChatGPT a prompt like, "My channel is related to space and the cosmic niche. Suggest some unique and creative names." ChatGPT will then provide a list of suggestions. Remember, the more unique your channel name, the better chance your videos have of ranking. Once you've chosen a name, search it on YouTube to ensure no one else is using the same name. Next comes creating the channel logo and banner. A catchy and attractive logo is the first thing to work on. I'll again use ChatGPT to write a detailed prompt for generating a logo. Copy this prompt and paste it into Leonardo AI. You can adjust the settings based on your preference, or you can follow my steps. After adjusting the settings, click Generate, and your logo will be ready in no time. For the banner, go back to ChatGPT and ask it to create a prompt for a channel banner. Once you have the prompt, paste it into Leonardo AI. This time, make sure to set the ratio to 16:9 for the banner. Click Generate, and your channel banner will also be ready in just a few moments. Now let's create a channel and upload the logo and banner quickly. If you don't know how to create a channel on YouTube, then you can watch this video of mine, or you can comment below, so I will make a new video on how to create a channel on YouTube. After branding, the next step is content creation. This is where we start working on the actual videos, and the first thing we need is a script. Writing a script can be a headache, but don't worry. I have an easy solution for this. Start by watching some videos in the cosmic niche to understand what works well. For example, I'll find the most popular videos on a specific channel in this niche. Copy the title of one of those videos and go to ChatGPT. Use this title as part of your prompt, such as, "Write a script for a video based on this title." Paste the title here. ChatGPT will then create a high-quality, ready-to-use script for your video. Once your script is ready, the next step is to create a voiceover. For this, we'll use 11 Labs, a free text-to-speech tool that gives you 10,000 free words when you sign up. Here's how you do it. Copy the script generated by ChatGPT. Paste the script into 11 Labs. Choose a voice from the available options. There's a variety of voices to pick from, so select one that best suits your content. Click on the Generate button. Within moments, your voiceover will be ready to download, making this step quick and easy. Now that we have the script and voiceover ready, the next step is to gather visuals for the video. For this, we have 2 simple options. The first option is to use stock videos. You can find high-quality stock videos related to space and the cosmic niche on websites like pexels.com. Simply search for relevant space-related clips, such as stars, galaxies, or cosmic scenes, and download the ones that fit your script. These clips are free to use and will make your video visually appealing. The second option is to generate custom images using AI. For this, we'll take help from ChatGPT. Start by asking ChatGPT, "Give me image generation prompts for this script." ChatGPT will create unique prompts for each paragraph of your script, ensuring that every part of your video is visually represented. Once you have the prompts, head over to Leonardo AI. Paste each prompt into the tool one by one and adjust the settings based on your preference. After that, click the Generate button, and Leonardo AI will create stunning cosmic images for your video. After generating the images, download them and organize them according to your script. Now we have all the generated images. Now I will tell you a secret website in which you can convert these images into stunning videos that might look amazing. For this, go to this website called Hyper AI, create a free account on it, and then click on the image to video option. Upload your image and then choose the video duration. After that, click on Generate. Within a few minutes, your image will be converted into a stunning video. By using these two methods, stock videos and custom-generated images, you can create visually engaging content that complements your script and voiceover perfectly. Finally, we move to the last step, video editing. While there are many editing software options available, I'll be using CapCut for this tutorial. It's easy to use and perfect for beginners. Once you open CapCut, start by importing all the downloaded files into the software. These files include your voiceover, images, and videos. Drag and drop the voiceover onto the timeline first. After that, add your images and videos to the timeline, placing them in the correct order to match the voiceover. Make sure the sequence is well organized and flows naturally with the script. Next, let's add transitions between the images and videos. While adding transitions, avoid overly fancy effects. Keep it simple and smooth to maintain a professional look. Smooth transitions enhance the viewing experience without distracting the audience. To make the images more engaging, you can use animations. Animations will add motion to the still images, making them visually dynamic. Browse through the available animation options in CapCut and pick the ones that suit your style. Apply these animations to your images to give them a polished and lively feel. After the visuals are done, it's time to add background music. I recommend using the YouTube audio library because it offers a wide range of copyright-free music. Choose a track that fits the mood of your video and import it into CapCut. Adjust the music volume so it doesn't overpower the voiceover. Keep it subtle and balanced. Now let's add captions. To do this, click on this Auto Caption button, choose the language, and click on Generate. After that, adjust its font size and animations according to your needs. Once everything is in place, review your video to ensure everything looks and sounds perfect. When satisfied, export the video. And just like that, your video is ready, created entirely for free.
Beyond the horizon of our understanding lies a vast expanse filled with wonder, secrets, and unanswered questions. Welcome to Mysteries of the Universe, a journey through the cosmos to uncover the enigmas that shape our existence. Nearly 13.8 billion years ago, an event of unimaginable scale gave birth to time, space, and matter. the Big Bang. But what existed before this cosmic beginning? Was it the start of everything, or just a chapter in an endless cycle of creation and destruction? Physicists and cosmologists seek these answers, using tools like the Large Hadron Collider to recreate the earliest moments of our universe. Yet the question remains, can we ever truly understand our origin?
The final step in our process is creating an attractive thumbnail. Remember, a thumbnail is the first thing viewers notice, and if it isn't eye-catching, your video won't get clicks. To make a high-quality thumbnail, we'll use ChatGPT and Leonardo AI. Start by going to ChatGPT and typing the following prompt. Create an image generation prompt for a thumbnail based on this video topic. ChatGPT will generate a perfect prompt for your thumbnail. Don't worry, these prompts will be provided in the video description for your convenience. Copy the prompt and paste it into Leonardo AI. Once you generate the image, you'll have a unique and stunning base for your thumbnail. Download the image and open it in Canva for further editing. In Canva, click on the Add Text option and write your video title on the thumbnail. To make the text more attractive, use stroke and effects. Play around with font styles and colors to make the text stand out against the background. After fine-tuning the design, your thumbnail will be ready to grab attention. And that's it. This wraps up today's tutorial. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something valuable. As you saw, I didn't use any paid tools like most creators do. Instead, I showed you how to do everything for free, from branding to thumbnail creation. If you follow this method, you can easily create high-quality videos and start your own channel in no time. I've shared many other videos on my channel about profitable niches, so feel free to check them out. Let's end this video with a motivational quote. Tomorrow never comes, do it right now. See you in the next video. Bye.